Spokesperson of Communist Party of India, R.K. Amusna, has expressed apprehension on possible outcome from state government delegate visit to Delhi regarding demand for NRC and deferment of census. Speaking in this regard at Irawat Bhavan, R.K. Amusna expressed concern on failure of government to address the problem in Manipur. He said the conflict in Manipur has deepened even after 3 years. Highways remained inaccessible. Law and order situation continues to be in a bad condition. Speaking further, Amusna maintained that the demand for NRC before census is valid. The demand for justice of 6 Naga men is still awaited. Further, he asserted that people of Manipur will continue to demand for NRC before census.
Nasi awam me amse kai no khar phungto gadi democracy da people no wari me amse khar di phai ba madu sumna phungto ke sarkar ge asoy me amse si to odna constitution na people right ki matungna kaino rally ma chatpada demonstration ma tawada dharna ma tawada kari gi no ma tana no me kapyo bong kapyo phuri se chidi democracy ki masan na te ba masi tawgono chief minister weri ba home minister weri ba manipur gi noi mase police force singje mapan gi lakpa kangu singje mase manipur sarkar na phajana control taw masigumba porse hojik tawn ganu masida amuk siba naba sokpa panma nama som yorak pada kanan dai puni atopa tongan ba lambi amaru nam chakhidra manipur se hojik wari sidagi hena wagani aduna akhoi aroi bada pin tawni manipur lengang na tawge khana tawbiu political solution ma porok na ba manipur lengang na hona biu